how to change date and time in Windows 10 and 11. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, click on this search button, then search here time, date and time settings, then click on it. You can see here date and time windows are opened, and click on this date and time, then click on this set time automatically are on. So then click on it and off, so you can change the time, set the date and time manually. Button are on, so click on it and you can set here date and time right here. So I want to not change, then I click on this and close on the Windows. So this is how to change date and time in Windows 10 and 11.